course, the neighbor's doing the lawn, of course.
Oh,
Leaf blowers.
You need, what is that?
What is this?
What is that?
What is this? Asus Tough Gaming Gamai.
Is that a game? Is that a laptop?
Open it up.
Is this your new laptop? Ooh.
Yep.
It's your new laptop?
Mm-hmm.
Nice. Is it just like that one?
Nope.
Oh, I like the box.
You like the box? You can have the box.
Sorry, I like the box.
That's cool.
Oh, look at that. That's beautiful, baby. So this is, this is way good.
Mm-hmm.
That's beautiful, babe. Look at that. That's excellent. I love it. This is yours.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
I will take the old one.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
But only when you tell me it's ready to be taken. Okay.
It probably weighs about 5 pounds.
Yeah.
It's got military. It says here military grade.
Oh, that's sharp, babe.
Where does it say it?
Yeah.
Somewhere. Like
Do you need a case for it?
a backpack?
Yeah.
No.
No.
That's a backpack.
What about the one for that one?
So here's the thing. What's that?
So what about the one for that
You
one?
can use that one. Oh, okay. Power cord. That's good. Congratulations. Register. What's in here?
That's nice.
Little tiny screws for some reason.
Nice.
Other part of the power cord.
Nice.
That's it. That's all you
Very
get.
cool.
Yeah. Isn't that cool?
I love it.
So this thing weighs about 5 pounds. It's got
How much does that one weigh?
not much more. Here's the only thing though. I don't understand why they did this, but this is interesting. They put the jacks, they have all of the USBs and the headphones jack stuff on the left. But almost everybody, well, the majority of people use a right-handed mouse. So if you're going to use a wired mouse, it doesn't, it doesn't make sense. There's like no inputs on the, or outputs on the right-hand side. It's weird.
So why don't you just use a digital one?
Well, you could use a cordless one.
Is this a cordless one?
Yeah,
right
that's a
here?
cordless one. But for gaming, you usually want to have one that has a cord on it.
Cool.
Here's the other thing.
Oh, this is still on.
Yeah, it's still on. I have to transfer files from that.
Cool.
Yeah. So this, when you press the keys, like the keyboard like moves, which is weird. Like during, like I noticed this when I was at Best Buy and like playing with it. But I don't know if that's by design or not. Like, is it supposed to flex in case you drop it or something? But definitely a little bit flexible. But I like the way these keypads are. And
It's nice.
The keypads, it lights up too.
Yeah.
It's really cool.
You're just supposed to have a light touch, you know? I think it's forcing you to have a lighter touch.
Maybe.
Han Solo. That's cool.
So that's
I love it.
the
I love
unboxing of the new. Black Friday came early.
Yes.
Black Friday usually is on Wednesday, and now it was on Monday. So here's Tara.
Look, double computers.
Yay! So that's the old Dell, and that's the new Asus.
Yeah.
And that is the
future, our future.
The future of gaming.
So, you're saying that I can use this laptop